That's what the hairy vetch. Got it from Johnny's. Another one was rye. So I also got that from Johnny's. It's a lot. I put way too much, but we'll see how it goes. Not sure if this is necessary, but just to prevent animals from taking the meat and seed of birds, just gonna cover it for a couple days until it sprouts. Day 3. Starting to sprout the hairy vetch. It's gonna be some nice fertilizer. This is day 10. I'm also gonna put on this row here. Cover up that area just until it sprouts, just until it starts growing. Get grass or crop residue, so that'd be anything that's left over from the season, and you just put them in buckets or whatever you have, and you add some water and you let it sit for over 3 months and it's ready to go. The hairy vetch you're supposed to plant around in September, and then in spring is when the most nitrogen content is available in the crop. But the squirrels are kind of going crazy on it, so I'm just gonna harvest it and put it separately in its own bucket. So I'm gonna make a grass liquid fertilizer. Just harvested that side and the same amount. 12 foot by 6 foot was harvested, and it was about, I want to say 7 inches tall, and it filled that bucket, 5-gallon bucket, to that. Filling it up with the soft water and dechlorinated. About 1 inch from the top. Put a lid on tight. I'm gonna cut down all the rest of the extra remnants, the crop residue. The leaves, the stems, doesn't matter if it's diseased or there's bugs on it, doesn't matter. Because these were all beans, you could just put the bean residue, and this would be a perfect bean fertilizer. It's about half the bucket. Now I'm gonna go through and just cut crops down and put it in the same bucket. So what's so cool is at the end of the season, you just gotta trim it and leave it. No tilling, you don't have to take up the landscape fabric, you just leave it there. And that's all you gotta do. That one's done too. Got a whole bag of food scraps. I got cilantro, bananas, tomatoes. It's gonna get stinky. I have a little bit of glacial rock dust.